Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will bring you the fifth chess puzzle here. As you see in the thumbnail and the title, I said it's mating 4. So watch until the end to know the answer and subscribe my channel to help me improve even more. And share this video for more people see these cool puzzles. Now, let's get in. So I'll allow you to pause the video and try to find the mating for white. You found it? So now it's the answer time. And the first thing you have to notice is that it is a queen's endgame. Both sides have a queen. And the majority of these endgames is a draw. But it has special cases, and this one is a special case when the black king is really far from the black queens. It's really bad because the queen can't protect the black king, and if it's on the edge or in the corner, it will be in a special case as well. So now the correct answer here is not mate here because the black queens is protecting, so it's a little bit harder. But the correct answer here is queen e3 check, because you're forcing the black king to go out from that square that the queen is protecting. The king can't go to h5 because it will be mate. You are seeing the arrows here. So the black king is forced to go to h7. And we will do the same idea. Why we can't go here? Because it won't be a checkmate in 4, okay? So you have to bring the queen close to your king at the same time checking the black king. So the answer here is queen a7 check. You are bringing the queen close to your king and at the same time doing a check. The king can't go to h8 because it will be mate. You are seeing here. So black is forced to go to h6. And now it's a pretty common checkmate pattern here. Queen g7, forcing the king to go to h5. And now it's mate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, as I said in the beginning of the video, and share this video for more people to see. I will wait you for the next puzzles. Take care.